Good morning, children. Welcome back. I hope you all are great just as I am. I am Sonali Man, and yesterday we did English, and the concept we learnt was he and she. Right? So children, today we are going to do a quick recap of he and she. Then we are going to do writing of sentences of he and she in our notebook. And then we'll do a fun activity. So let's get started.
He, He. He is used for man, boy, uncle, father, grandfather. She, she. She is used for woman, girl, mother, aunt, grandmother. Mr., Mrs. This is Mr. Vinod. He is a doctor. This is Mrs. Rita. She is a teacher.
Now let's write in our notebook with full sentences. We begin with today's date, which we write right here in the margin. Today is 29.10.20. Outside the margin line, we will write the title. Leaving 2-finger space, we will write capital H, small e, make one slanting line, and capital S, small h, and small e. He, she. Now we will write number 1 here outside the margin, and we'll begin with the first sentence. So we will write capital T, H, I, S. This. Leaving 1-finger space, we will write small I. S is, again 1-finger space, capital R, O, Y, and full stop. This is Roy. Next line, we will make 1 dash, leave 1-finger space, and write IS is, leaving 1-finger space, 1-finger space, B, O, Y, boy, full stop. Okay, children. Now we will leave this one line, so we will put a cross here. Now we will write number 2 here, and we'll start with capital T, H, I, S. This 1-finger space, I, S is 1-finger space, capital D, I, V, A, Diva. Next, and then full stop. Next line, we will make 1 dash, and we'll leave 1-finger space, and we will write IS is 1-finger space, again 1-finger space, G, I, R, L, and full stop. Dash is a girl. We will write all the answers together after writing the sentences. So children, you do the same with me also, okay? Now again, next line we have to leave it blank. So we'll put a cross, and then underneath that we will write number 3 and full stop. Then we will start with capital T, H, I, S. This, one finger space, is, one finger space, capital M, small r, and a dot for Mr. Then we will write capital T, O, M. Full stop. This is Mr. Tom. Next line, again we will make a line, make a dash, one finger space, IS is, one finger space, A, one finger space, M, A, N, full stop. Dash is a man. Again we will put a cross and we will write number 4. Now we write capital T, H, I, S. This, I, S is, again capital M, R, S, and then full stop. Mrs. Capital V, E, E, N, A, full stop. This is Mrs. Veena. Next line we will make a dash, one finger space, IS is, one finger space, A, W, O, M, A, N, woman, full stop. After writing all these sentences the way I have written from 1 to 4, now we will write the answer. So, this is Roy. Dash is a boy. So, what will come here? Boy. What will come for boy? He. Yes. So, we will write capital H and E. He. Okay. Now, the next is, this is Diva. Dash is a girl. For girl, what do we use? Right. She. So, we will begin by writing capital S, H, E. She. Next is, this is Mr. Tom. Remember children, I told you Mr. we use for male gender. Dash is a man. For man we write he. So capital H, E, he. Then this is Mrs. Veena. Mrs. we use for female gender. Dash is a woman. So for woman we write she. So it will be capital S, H, E, she. So children, the way I have written in this notebook, you will write in your notebook in the same format. Okay children, now it's our activity time. So here I've got some pictures of he and she, and here I've got chits of he, she, which we are going to place in its correct place. So let's start. So our first picture is of an aunt. Aunt is a he or a she? Yes, she. So we will place she under aunt. Next picture is of a teacher. Her name is Mrs. Seema. So Mrs. means he or she? Yes, it is she. So we'll place she right here. Then we have a picture of brother. Brother is he or she? You're right. He. So we place it right here. Then we have mother. Mother is a he or a she? Right. She. So we will place she right here. Then we have Mr. Vijay, who is a policeman. So Mr. means he or she? You're right. He. So we will place it right here. Then we have uncle. Uncle is a he or a she? Come on, children. Right. He. So we will put he right here. Then we have sister. Sister is a she. Very good. So we put she under sister. And last we have father. Father is he. So we put he under father. So this is a fun activity to make you understand the concept. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Till we meet again, take care of yourself, practice your he-she concept and writing work, and we'll meet again soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.